Denise Morris here, and today's quick fix video is about PowerPoint presentation size. If you've gone to share a presentation with contractors, vendors, if it is too large, you may have an issue. I'm going to show you how you can compress the media inside of your presentation to make it smaller and easier to share. Let me show you how. Inside of this presentation, we can see that there are lots of different pictures. And when you have lots of pictures inside of a presentation, it can increase your size. Now, if you're using a SharePoint link or OneDrive link, which is wonderful, that's great. But if you need to send it via email, sometimes it can cap out at a certain kilobyte. The way that you can help this is to compress your media. So if I click on my image and click on the picture format tab, there's this right here that says compress pictures. And I can apply only to this picture, and then it gives me different resolutions. When working with this, it's typically a good idea to go with a web, and I can apply only to this picture. I can uncheck that and it applies to all. And once again, compress picture. Okay, and you can see that they have now been changed over to this web right here. There you have it. Now you should be able to share those presentations without running into any issues dealing with the size of it because of pictures. Remember, small changes, quick fixes, big wins.